It seems that the gold is currently inside indecision range area, because in the last 2 days we can see the price is forming a bullish pin bar, then bearish pin bar, and the price is closing in the middle between this area of resistance for 105.86 and support level 4021.78. The price was trying first to move down. We can see that the demand zone, where the buyers are waiting here at this area of support, has pushed the price up, and the price continued to rise in value, going above this area of resistance, and then the bears have stepped in and pushed the price back down inside this range area. And we can see these two candles, open and close price levels, are inside this candle body, which is a bearish candle. So this means the fight between the buyers and sellers. No one, not the buyers, not sellers, can push the price in any of the direction and close the day in that direction. So for now, it seems on the daily time frame we are still waiting for a clear breakout. On the 4-hour time frame, this is also a clear, more than it is on the daily, but on the 1-hour time frame it will be even more clear. But on the 4-hour time frame we can see how the price was behaving the last 2 days. The price was moving down. This is the start of the week, and then the price returned back up, rising in value. After the price reached 4021.78, the price formed a strong bullish engulfing candle, continued to rise in value, then making a bullish breakout and then bullish pin bar, suggesting further rise in value. And yesterday we can see the price was trying to move higher, reaching this area of resistance for 145.86, but unsuccessfully. Then the price returned back down. We can see that with a strong bearish candle, and yesterday we can see the price have formed this indecision candle, jumping up and down between this area of resistance, this area of support, and this support is 4057.32. It is a 4-hour time frame support level. What is also important, we can see here a line where this support is, where these open and close price levels, so these candles are located, and we can see the price on the 4-hour time frame cannot make a bearish breakout below this area of support, which is, it seems, a very important support level. When the price makes a bearish breakout, like in this example, on this small support, the price continues to lose its value. So we can see that price level 4065 is an important one. On the 1-hour time frame, 4065, and that is here. We can see that here, especially much clearer is this one here. 4065 is the support level, a small one on the 1-hour time frame that is currently holding, and it's preventing the price from reaching lower levels. When the price was going down and when the price has made a bearish breakout, we can see it has stopped at the 4-hour time frame support level. So in this case, we need on the 4-hour time frame a breakout, which is a bearish breakout below this area of support, in order to see the price moving further down. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see how the price has behaved. Was going down, was going up, then going up, then returning back down. And this area here, it is 4015. It is a daily resistance and support. It is a 4-hour time frame. 4057.32 is still holding the price, not allowing to reach higher price levels or lower price levels. And we can see that it takes several days already that the price is still stuck inside this range area and not allowing to move in any of the directions. So what we can make as a conclusion where the price could go. Based on this one, what we can see currently, the price is forming higher lows, because this is the low, this is the higher low where the price has formed this low, and it is currently trying to reach higher price levels. We can see that the price has formed this higher high compared to this area of here. So I'm more inclined to see the price moving to the higher price levels, but until the price makes a bullish breakout on the daily time frame in this here area, which is a daily resistance, I'm waiting outside of the market. If the price makes a bearish breakout here at this area of support, the price, I'm still waiting outside, but if it makes a bearish breakout, it will be indication of the further decline in value, where the next support 3945.76 is the next target. So these are the levels that I'm currently watching closely, especially on the 4-hour time frame, which will be the second signal, and the first signal will be on the 1-hour time frame, where the price is heading. So feel free to check the link below in the description if you would like to join the premier channel, where I share these details with the traders when there is a bullish or bearish breakouts. Feel free to check and join other traders. Yesterday I had information for the traders when this bullish pin bar has been formed. This one here, I have mentioned that the price will try to reach this area of resistance, and we can see the price was moving slightly up, then returning back down, not going below this area of support, and then returning back up, reaching this target. This is the scenario I'm sharing with the traders inside the premium analysis, so feel free to check and join other traders. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.